I cannot wait to eat these. They turned out perfect. So good. Hey guys, I'm Parker Bates from This Is Us, and today I'm making my gluten-free chicken jalapeno taquitos. My favorite time to eat these taquitos are any time, for snack, lunch, dinner, appetizers, at a party. They're just amazing. The reason why I started making gluten-free dishes was because of my brother, because we had to change his diet and he had to go gluten-free, and he was like really sad because he had to give up all his favorite foods. So one of the reasons why I started making gluten-free, just to make him feel like he didn't have to like give up everything. The first dish I ever made was, I think, spaghetti and meatballs with my grandma. I started cooking when I was about 6. I had always wanted to help out in the kitchen because, I mean, there were just so many wonderful smells coming from there. I was like, what if I want to make those? And so I kind of asked, but then I was like sitting over there smelling the food, and then she was like, do you want to help? I'm like, probably yes. On This Is Us, it was really funny because the writers had kind of incorporated my cooking from my Instagram. In one of the scenes, I was making Cornish hens for my parents for their anniversary, and I did it wrong, and I was really upset because I thought that was gonna ruin their whole entire marriage. I really like that they like incorporated all my favorite things to do inside the show. It was really cool. Oh, I dropped my cream cheese in the chicken. Okay, this is okay. Take the foil out and just roll with it because everything's fine. You make mistakes, mistakes happen. Continue. I feel like cooking would help me like throughout my life because say acting doesn't go the way I want it to, then I could like be a chef, or it'll help me like I can cook for my kids or my mom. I already cook for my mom, but she loves my food and I want to make other people love my food. And I'm actually working on a cookbook right now, and I have to have 50 recipes. So like we're going through this like big process. Our kitchen is a mess, and like we're just like making up all the recipes. So far, all of them have been really good. Oh my gosh, these look delicious. I can't wait to share them with my family and friends. The texture is like perfect and ooey and gooey, and the chicken just makes it just right, and it's just so crispy on the outside, and then you just get the wonderful flavor of the jalapeños and the spice, and so good. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Here's a few tips to help you out. If you're having a hard time shredding your chicken, it's taking forever, instead of using 2 forks, you can get your hand mixer, put your chicken in the bowl, and just shred it. It's really easy and really fast. To keep the tortillas from breaking, you can put them in a wet towel or napkin, whatever works. Put them on a plate, and then you can put them in the microwave, and then when they come out, they'll just be a lot easier to work with. Amazing. Recommended. Delicious.
Oh, yes!